Good morning. I wish you a very beautiful morning to all of you. Welcome to the online lecture of Standard 5th subject Moral Science. So, last we have completed chapter number 8, that is determination, and I have sent a PDF of it also, and all you have written also. Okay, so now let's start with our chapter number 9, that is belief. Now, what is belief? Belief means to put trust on something, that if you are putting trust that this will happen, that is to believe. Let's start. Believe in rewards that await you. Believe in harvest in store. Believe that spring will awaken. Believe you will be sowing once more. Believe in rewards that await you. And believe in the harvest in store. So, which await you, believe that rewards which await you, and harvest, you put the harvest. Believe yourself and do the harvest in store. Believe that spring will awaken. Believe that yes, the spring will come one day and you will be sowing once more. Means that boy was nervous. So what he is telling? Believe that daily you are believing that something I want only, rewards that this much I will get only. Believe that you will get only. Believe you have to harvest in store. Then second is believe that the spring will awaken. Believe that spring will awaken, means it will awake, it will come, where no one, you will be sowing once more. Believe you will be sowing one more time that seed. Believe that there is a tomorrow where no one cares if you can't dance. The next point is that if you fail today, if you today failed by doing whatever thing, believe that today is my bad day, then tomorrow will definitely come. So you have to believe in that there is tomorrow, one more time, one more chance I will get. Where no one cares if you can't dance. If you don't know dance, no one cares. Here it is written dance, but here meaning is tomorrow is there. If you don't know these things, people don't care. Believe in the future promise. Each new day begins with a new chance. You are sad, but telling that today something happened which is not going to happen. It is bad, which is sometimes it is depressive, but you have to believe that tomorrow my new chance is there, tomorrow new day, tomorrow my new life is there. God has gifted us my new life tomorrow. So I have to believe in that. In future promises, that what I have made to future promises, that I want to become something, I want this, I want this. Just believe in that future promises, that tomorrow new chances and I can achieve my all the future promises. And each new day begins with a new chance. Today you don't do this, you have not completed it, new chances that tomorrow. Do it differently. So you have to believe and you have to keep trust in our things, future promises. Believe you can make your goal happen. They are just dreams with a deadline attached. You have to believe in your goal, that this is my goal to reach, to get score out of 100 or to become a doctor or anything. Your goal is that your goal might be to sit in a BMW car. Your goal might be to purchase bullet. Your goal might to go in 5-star hotel. Anything your goal can be. I cannot tell that it is your only dream. Any goal you have, to go outside for in a foreign country, any goal you have. Goal means they are just dreams with a deadline attached. Deadline is that sometimes it will over only. So you have to, new chance, new today, you have to be prepared for your goals. And you have to work upon hand. You have to believe that yes, one day my goal will be fulfilled only. So just you have to believe, and the dreams are the deadline attached. Sometimes dreams will expire. But if you will work hard, then you can reach up to your goal. Believe that you have the power. Believe that you are more than a match. Believe. Some people are demotivated that I cannot do these things. It is out of my business like that. But you have to keep trust on that. That yes, one day I will become. A dream, if you see, if you are poor or anything, if you see that car, suppose one car is there. If you think one day I want to sit in this car, or one day I have to purchase this car. The dream started that time only, but you have to work hard. You have the power to work hard, and you think that yes, whatever, I am poor, middle class, or anything, I want to complete my that goal only. I want to complete that goal, and I am not weaker than earth. I believe that you have the power to complete your goal. Believe in a shared existence. You are not alone, and this is true. Shared existence, God has given life. Everyone is life. Some people have more friends, some people have less friends. But you have to believe that this is existence. We have to survive. Many problems will come in life, but we have to survive now. One day our marks came, one subject, unit test marks. Giving example, the next chapter was hard. You get less mark. When your father will scold that you are not studying, your mother will scold you are not studying, going to school simply only like that. In one paper, chapter is easy, or you know everything, you get high marks. So this problems is occur, but it is you have to accept the fact that this is the shared existence. God has given life, problems will be there only. But you are not alone. We are not only alone, we have many friends. We are thinking, I am alone, no one is supporting us. This is not the truth. So believe that it is existence and no one in the world is alone. Okay? Believe that right now there is someone who believes in the wonder that is you. You have to believe that right now there is someone who believes in the wonder that is you. That God believes us and parents believes us and we are here. So you have to believe that many people are there, they are not alone. People will not care if you dance. Believe in future promises and new chances. It is our shared existence and we are not alone. It is true. And who believes in the wonder that we are God creation. No one is simply here. Everyone has different skill. So you have to keep believe on yourself. This is the moral of the story, that whatever bad times, good times will come. You have to believe in all the things. We have studied in determination chapter also. Faith in God is most important. Then we have to work hard for it. So all this thing is to believe, to keep trust that yes, my goal will be fulfilled. Tomorrow is my new chance. I can achieve more success. What happened today? It does not matter. But tomorrow chance is there. So this believe in all the things. So this is the moral of the chapter. Okay. This is written by Vish Balkin. Vish Balkin. This is belief. Okay. So today we will keep our lecture up to here, and next lecture we will do one time revision, and then I will send a PDF note. Okay. Thank you, children.